Welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a look at getting support if you're having issues with your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The reason why I'm making this video is quite simple. I'm having trouble with routines on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I've come across some information that there's an app on the phone. And if it's not on your phone, you can get it from the Play Store or the Samsung Store. And it's called Samsung Members. For those that do not know that this app is available, I'm just going to walk through it real quick. And just to show you how to submit a report to Samsung. So let's get a close-up of the phone here. All right, so let's get into the phone here. So the app, I'm sure a lot of you guys know this, but I didn't even know this, and I've been using Samsung phones forever. I knew about the app called Samsung Members, but I didn't know you could submit reports through that app. So I'm just going to show you exactly what to do. So I'm just looking for the app on my phone. I'm going to click on Samsung Members. And it's going to take you to this screen here. If you look at the bottom corner here on the right hand side, you're going to see it says support. So I'm clicking on support. So now I'm going to scroll. And what I chose for my issue was error reports. So you have a few things to report depending on your situation. So slow device, lockup, restarting, overheating, power, battery charging, application, setting system, Bluetooth, camera, call message, accessory, sensor touch, networking, Wi-Fi, display, sound vibrations. I didn't quite know which one to choose out of those two, so I just simply picked others. And from others, I picked often. And in the field you could type, I just typed in my issue. And in my case, it was the routines. Bixby routines were not doing what they were supposed to do. I've already sent in a report, so I won't do it again, but this is where you would type your report. And then you would hit the send button here. If you wanted to attach some files, you would do so there. And off it goes, and then you'll get confirmation that they have received your report. So if you're having any issues with your Samsung Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, this is where you can go to report it directly to Samsung. Now, if you want to troubleshoot your phone on your own, you could do a diagnostics, which I don't think I've ever done on any Samsung phone before. So to go ahead and do a diagnostics, you see here where it says phone diagnostics. We're going to click on that. And you're going to see here, I could run a test. I've already started the test. I got to as far as buttons, but you can see my NFC is good. My SIM card is good. Power restart status is good. Official software, mobile network, sensors, proximity recognition, touchscreen are all good. Oh, and flashlight worked perfectly. I didn't finish these ones here, and you can go through this whole thing to make sure your phone is in good working condition. All right, so that's it. Let me know what you think. Please leave comments below if you have any questions. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated Isolated with Technology, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.